Welcome to Shul Machshava on the Daf. Shir sponsor Lunishbas Arbiak Shalom Leapas Yitzchok. We're holding in Basra Daf Ainei Mudalef in the middle of the Agatas of RBBC, and we are in the Agato number 29, Maamar Chavtes, which is Ainei Mudalef, a few lines down, about 10 lines down from the top of the Amud. And the Gemara says like this: Omar Rabba Omar Birchon, Atida Kadosh Baruch Hu la'asois seudo latzadikim. Livyasan. Kadosh Baruch Hu is going to do a seudo to tzadikim from the meat of this animal called Livyasan. The literal translation of Livyasan is whale, but as we see in this Gemara, this whale is a different size whale than we have. It's called Livyasan. We'll see in a moment what it means. Shema yichru alav chaverim. So there will be a seudo for the tzadikim from the Livyasan. Why? Because it says yichru alav chaverim. Vein koreh la seudo. Koreh is loshem seudo. Shema v'yichre lehem kiro gdoilo v'yichlo v'yishtu ve'in chaveirim to be chacham. Who's the chaveirim to be chacham? Sheneema yoshes baganim chaveirim makshim yikolech hashmini. The friends will lead it. The friends to be chacham. V'ashar mechalkim oiso. The rest of the meat of the Livyasan, they're going to give it out. V'oisi bo yischoyru b'shuk Yerushalayim. Make business with it in Shuk Yerushalayim. Sheneema yichtzu bein knanim. You will divide between the knanim. And Knanim ela tagorim. Knanim means business people, being merchants. Shema Knan biyod mazdi miro le'shakoyev. So you see, we talk about Knan as a lotion of a schoiro. We're referring to Secharim Knanim with the same lotion. Again, what is this Gemara mean? We have a Gemara in RBBC. It seems to be completely not understood. What is this Livyasan? We can eat the meat of it, losid lofi. And why not to be chachamim? What is this schoira you can do with it? What's the pshat? So here, Moshe Shapir Zatzal gives us he'ora. As we mentioned, all these shiurim are based on the sefer, the shiurim that Moshe Shapir gave on these sugyas, the Chus Yom, we just put it out a few weeks ago. And Moshe here goes on to explain as follows. So first of all, you have to understand, with Agudama, Moshe mentions a few times throughout the sefer, what is the idea of a Livyasan? Livyasan is what? Livyasan is the whale. What's the whale? So he brings the name of Elio Dessler. That Livyasan, the idea of Livyasan is, this is before Elio Dessler, the actual concept of Livyasan. Livyasan is Loshem Livui, Mislave. What is Mislave to HaKadosh Baruch Hu in this world? What's Mislave to HaKadosh Baruch Hu in this world is what's called Midas HaMalchus. What is Midas HaMalchus? It means human beings should be mamlich Hashem. They should work hard to come and accept Kadosh Baruch Hu as a king. That's what the Malchus means. Livyasan is the gematria, the numeric value of Malchus. According to what the Zohar says, that Kadosh Baruch Hu plays with the Livyasan. Mesachikim Livyasan. So Yod Dessler explained, what does it mean plays with the Livyasan? What does it mean? Game? Pshat is, what is a game? The idea of a game, says of Yod Dessler, is that you have nothing else interesting you except the game. You're not, if you're doing a true game, if the game is just for the purpose of the game, you're just enjoying and benefiting the game itself. Kadosh Baruch Hu Mesachikim Livyasan means that Kadosh Baruch Hu is focused on Midas HaMalchus of this world, on having the human beings bringing the Kavod Shamayim in this world, and that's it. There's no other purpose. This is the Tachlis HaOlam. So, says Ramesh, Livyasan represents the fact that this world is a world of avodah. Midas HaMalchus, you have to be Kabbalah Kadosh Baruch Hu as a king. The tzaddikim, that they bring the Midas HaMalchus, so what do they get as a reward? They eat the basar of Livyasan. What does that mean? That means schar mitzvah mitzvah. The reward of the mitzvah is the mitzvah itself. Meaning, the whole purpose of this world is to get to the world to come. You're building up a structure, as Ramchal says, to be able to benefit for the world to come with your own merit. That's what Midas HaMalchus is all about. So what's the benefit? Whatever you did. It's not two different things. It's not that, okay, I'm working and then later I'll get a salary. No. What you're doing is building your Olam Haba. Moshe always used to bring that Olam Hazeh is this world. Olam Haba is the next world. It should have said Olam Hazeh and Olam Hahu. This world and that world. Why Olam Hazeh, Olam Haba? Olam Haba that comes after Olam Hazeh. It's a development from Olam Hazeh. You're working in this world to build up your Olam there. So the Livyasan in this world is the avoid of the tzaddikim, and they reap the benefits by eating Basra Livyasan. So now it gives a little bit of understanding. The Asid Lava Baruch is going to give the tzaddikim to eat Basra Livyasan. What does it mean? It means there will be schar mitzvah. They will benefit, enjoy the actual mitzvahs that they did. The rest will be schoiru. What does that mean? This is a big yisoid in general. We find it in many of the Mekayos, that the tzaddikim, each one is an individual. And as an individual, they're able to be zoichet to everything. The ones that are not tzaddikim, how do they zoichet to Olam Haba? How do they zoichet? What is their schus? By being part of a tzibur, by being part of the klal. That's the whole avodah. The avodah of Am Yisrael, when they're not in the highest madriga, is to have a avodah of a tzibur. The tzibur comes together to worship HaKadosh Baruch Hu. As the Gemara brings, the Medrash brings, the HaKadosh Baruch Hu says in the Agudah Asay Eretz Yisrael, he wants the Rishonim together tzaddikim in Agudah. Agudah means that everybody's together. Everybody's together. They all zoichet together in the schar. So the Agudah, the togetherness, gives Am Yisrael the schus if you're part of the tzibur. This goes to the Vilna Gaon, Parshas Nitzavim, when he says that after Parshas Kisavoy, there's many clothes. Who tells Am Yisrael, Atem Nitzavim Yom Kulchem, says Moshe Rabbeinu to Am Yisrael, explains the Gaon, as long as you're at tzibur, you'll be okay. But if a person goes and he stands on his own, and he's not a tzaddik, then he has no chance. So the Livyasan is the reward that each tzaddik gets. The ones that are not tzaddikim, how are they benefiting from the Livyasan? Schoira. What's a schoira? Schoira always has to have two parties. You can't have a schoira with only one. Schoira is many people together. You do business. Commerce means you have a lot of people joined together. So that's the lush of the Gemara. Gemara says you should know that Livyasan will be the reward, and the ones that tzaddikim, whatever, the people that are not tzaddikim, how do they join together? As being part of this tzibur, as being part of a schoira, they ensure the Livyasan gives a little bit of understanding of what this Gemara is talking about. Anyone who wants to join, the Shor Machshava email is to WhatsApp group. Please email shormachshava@gmail.com, and I welcome everyone to join the Shor Machshava Shiurim on these dapim, and throughout Shas, Baruch Hashem, on every daf in Shas, we try to have a short machshava, something that gives out the depths of Chazal on every daf.